Koala Studio's furniture is packaged to arrive safely and can even be delivered into the room of your choice. The packaging is designed to remain fully intact until arriving at its final delivery destination and lowered from the delivery truck. Once placed into your desired room, cut the plastic strapping that is secured to the pallet. Remove the lid on top of the cardboard accessory box and unpack the contents. Inside, you will find different elements depending on the creative center you've purchased. These elements include, but are not limited to, cardboard supports, 2 footrest boards, outback leaf, filler board, casters, washers and locking pins, footrest board feet, and your Koala owner's manual. Remove the bottom half of the accessory box and cut the plastic strapping around the creative center box. Remove the cardboard and packing material surrounding your creative center and discard. Watch our Koala Studio's instructional video to learn more about caster installation. Once the casters are installed, be sure they are in the unlocked position and that the cardboard supports beneath your creative center are free from the area surrounding the casters. Lift the studio and gently roll the cabinet onto the casters and off the cardboard supports. Remove the plastic wrap and tape surrounding your creative center. Watch our Koala Studio's instructional videos to learn more about footrest and outback leaf installation. Once your footrest is in place, if preferred, you can store your filler board underneath your creative center at the back as shown. Unwrap the lift cord and feed through the port at the back of your cabinet. Plug in your studio and test the lift. Make sure the switch is flipped to the on position and use the up-down function to raise and lower your machine. If you would like to use the included remote, engage the remote toggle switch to easily change machine positions on your Koala Studio. Now that your studio is fully assembled, it's time to set it up for sewing. If you've purchased the embroidery center, you can store your embroidery module or hoops inside. Store thread on the spool pins in the thread closet of your maker or embroidery center, and fill your drawers in the artistry drawer center. If you have any questions about your Koala Studio once it is set up in your home, please contact your retailer. We hope you enjoy your Koala Studio for many years to come.